Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi POCO C3 and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's go to the settings and here we have to find additional settings. Now let's tap on date and time on the very first position, and as you can see here we've got some options to customize. First of all, we can decide if we want to use the network provided time and time zone or if you want to set it manually. So if you'd like to do it on your own, just tap on those switchers to turn off the network provided time and time zone, and date, time and time zone options are active, so here freely by swiping we can choose the date we want to use. Let's tap on OK. As you can see, it is immediately applied. The same situation with the time, just by swiping choose the time you want to use, for example something like this, tap on OK. As you can see, it immediately appears also on the status bar. And the same situation with the time zone, so simply tap on it and choose the region from the list. Just find it and tap on it. As you can see, it is immediately applied, but be aware that if you will select it the time zone, the time will change according to it. So let me pick now the time format, we can tap on it, and as you can see now it is automatic, so it is based on the system language, but we can also set the 24-hour format or 12-hour format. Let me pick, for example, maybe 24-hour format, just tap on it, and as you can see it is also immediately applied. Under it we've got the dual clock option, so I'm not really sure if you paid attention at the very first moment of this video, because on the home page we had two different clocks, the very first one shown as our current time and the second shown as the time from London, as you can see. So here you can decide if you want to show the dual clock and what kind of place you'd like to check. So here you can tap on the second clock, tap on the region, and here you've got the full list of the places of the world which you can choose. But let me leave it like this, and now if you'd like to get back to all previous settings, just tap on time format and tap on auto. Here let's tap on the switcher to use network provided time zone and tap here to use network provided time, and as you can see it also immediately changes. So actually that's all. This is how to change date and time in your Xiaomi POCO C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.